So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a basket strainer here. This is a product by Moen, and we took out the old one. It was the old, it has the little triangulated bracket with the thumb screws that go through. We don't like those because they don't keep things very tight. They were having trouble when they were filling the sink up, water leaking down here and then draining, so just some loose connections. So brand new basket strainer, like I say, from Moen. It's the cup style. It's got that large cup that goes on first and then one nut on the bottom. It didn't leave a lot of threads up top. There's very few threads holding that nut on. We did have to manufacture a rubber gasket and a plastic gasket, a hat washer for the top of this tailpiece, and snugged it up. I think you're in good shape, but like I was telling the homeowner, monitor this. Any signs of water, let us know, because we want to come out here and dress it as quickly as possible. They've already had flooding in here, and I'm sure they don't want to go through that again. This is your piece of pipe here going in the dishwasher's tied into that little tailpiece there for discharge, and then of course that's your P-trap and arm. There's a lot of movement down here, so this arm is just hanging out in the breeze. You can see it comes forward and the 45 over, so there's a lot of room for movement if you bump this around. So I would say just be very gentle in this area when you put your things away. Slide them in and out. Be careful and mindful of that, otherwise you could pop something loose. But anyways, so that's what we've got going here. Moen basket strainer, single sink, and everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.